Hey there, it's the British guy here, back with another video. I'm doing outside today, guys. Yeah, nice day out here. I've got rice milk, if you haven't told, cheesy intro. I've got some, the British guy cup. Shout out to Jamie Clark, because he's the one that decided, or told me about this rice milk stuff. It's organic classic, 99% fat-free, easy digest. It's organic rice drink, 32 fluid ounces, 1 quart, 949 milligrams. It's non-GMO, it's USDA organic, and it looks pretty awesome. Its benefits, what it benefits is lactose. You see here it says right all the things like that. Lactose free and dairy free, certified organic, non-GMO project verified. Easy digest, 99% fat-free, soy-free, cholesterol-free food, gluten-free, whatever that is, and but vegan, obviously. Jamie, shout out to you. Thanks for that. Try out our delicious. It's gluten-free also. So let's open this. Doesn't smell too bad. Let me get the camera closer. Doesn't smell too bad. Let's pause to the pour test. Really watery. Yeah, looks really watery. Doesn't smell like much. I'm kind of nervous now, thanks Jamie. This is what it looks like in the cup, if I can get. There's a bee right there. Just gonna ignore it. So let's try it. Here goes. Cheers. Doesn't taste really like much. Let me try a bit. It just tastes like 1% milk, which is not very good, but not very great. I like 2% milk, even though I can't really drink milk anymore. I like 2% milk. Basically, I give this like I'll be honest, a 5 out of 10, because this has got like no fiber or anything. This is good. I would say this was good, but it's kind of watered down, so 5 out of 10 because it's there and it does have some flavor, but it doesn't really have a flavor. So honestly, rice milk 5 out of 10 because the packaging is good. It's got all the health benefits to it, and it will be good in tea and stuff. 5 out of 10 there, guys. Yeah, that's my review on the organic rice milk. There you go. You've heard of it? You haven't heard of it? I've heard of it. Thanks, Jamie. Peace out. Keep it raw and real, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and all of that jazz. This is a quick, stupid review. Yeah. See you guys.